horrific murder that took place in Bihar's Darbhanga, where the father of a former Bihar minister was found murdered and mutilated. And now, Jitin Sahani's case has led to 4 persons who've been detained by the Bihar police for suspected involvement in the case. We are told now, how did the chain trail lead to them? 2 people had borrowed a loan on interest from the deceased. And was there therefore any sort of personal, professional rivalry in this case, if not political rivalry, that led to this murder? We are told that these 2 men appear to have indulged in a quarrel with the deceased a couple of days ago as well. And that's why, connecting the dots, it appears they had a reason to have some involvement in the murder. One among them had taken a mortgage for a loan as well. Aditya Vaibhav was tracking the latest on this case. Aditya, it's very interesting and quite quick, must I say, that the police have been able to find at least a chain trail. But where is this mortgage loan angle coming in that could have been an involvement and a reason for this murder?
Well, exactly. As far as the entire history or the case history of the deceased is concerned, of course, the deceased was not involved in any sort of business sort of thing. But then he was somebody who was socially connected and people asked him for some favors. And this is what we've been given to understand by authentic police sources. And notable is the fact that of the 4 persons who have been detained by now by Darbhanga police for their suspected involvement in the entire case is on the basis of the CCTV footage that actually claims that these 4 persons barged into the house between 10:30 p.m. and 11:30 p.m. a night before the entire incident was reported. Interesting to note here is the fact that the police is actually trying to question and trying to connect all sorts of dots, because this was actually a point-blank case for them, because they had no clue on what sort of rivalry the deceased could have. But interesting to note here is the fact that of the 4 persons detained by now, there are technical evidences and there are technical, you can say, involvement of these 4 persons, and of these 2 actually engaged in a major quarrel, which was actually reported by even the local bystanders. So this is something that is intriguing the entire Darbhanga police investigation, and they are trying to connect all sorts of dots before they confirm final arrest.
So perhaps that will lead to some questions that would be asked and could lead to a final chain trail. There has to be a conclusion in this case and perhaps a question on the law and order too. Thank you very much, Aditya Vaibhav.